Midnight whispers on a broken phone. Shadows dance when you're alone. Heartbeats echo like a ghostly drone. Eyes wide open, hearts of stone. Glasses shattered on the floor. Love like waves crashing the shore. Promises we can't restore. Empty words, they mean no more. Tearing through this thickened air. Memories a weight we can't bear. Separation drives the blues. Lost in thoughts we hate to choose. Yeah, yeah. Smiles turned into daggers now. Time to break the sacred vow. We were fire, but here's the plow. Turning ashes, buried now. Echoes bounce in this empty hall. Pictures fade and curtains fall. Our story written on the wall. Love climbs high, then shifts to crawl. Tearing through this thickened air. Memories a weight we can't bear. Separation drives the blues.